Hey you guys, so I'm here in the guest bedroom, which converted this over. I'll show you some of the items that I picked up that I want to add in here. Tomorrow is the big day in the morning, so we ran out. I really wanted to go get some German like fun snacks and all that. Unfortunately, we couldn't do that because it's a holiday today, but nonetheless we went and grabbed some some little bitty snacks and all that good stuff that will be housed here in the bedroom. So let me share with you some of the items. Okay, so I went and I just had this basket around the house and we're just gonna fill it up with all kind of neat stuff. Let's get started. Alrighty, so we went and raided the PX in the commissary for some fun items. Like I said, I wanted to go grab some really neat like German snacks and all that, but I didn't know that it was going to be a German holiday today. Well, anyways, we found some stuff. I did order some craziness off of H&M Home. And oh my gosh, that was a whole nother mystery in itself. So I placed the order, right? But in the States, if you order online, you put your credit card information. Well, at the end of this process, it placed my order and then it sent it out to me and I didn't have to pay. I called and I was like, what's going on? And I come to find out I got my items without paying, but they send you a bill and you take it to the bank and you pay it that way. Craziest thing ever. I learned something totally new, so definitely was a new experience for me because this is not something you can do in the States. Anyways, I was a bit disappointed in the items that I did. I did it as a trial and error just to order a few things. This is something I ordered off of H&M Home, was this gold basket. I thought this was going to be the basket I use to house all my fun items, but look how small it is. So I may still put like little bitty snacks in here, but according to the picture, I thought this would be much larger than what this is. Oh, so disappointing. It's really cute though, but I thought it was bigger. Then I ended up ordering, I thought this was gonna be smaller, and this is huge. Look at it. Look at how big that is. It says dream. That is huge. So this definitely was something I wasn't expecting. I really wanted it smaller. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. And then I have no idea what this little gold top is. I have no idea. Anyway, so I was a bit disappointed with everything that came in from H&M Home online. And now I still have to go figure out how to pay the German bill. A whole nother story. Anyways, moving along to the items that we grabbed off post. My intentions was to go buy pajamas and all that good stuff downtown in our local city. Well, that's not an option. I waited to the last minute, so we had to go. It took us so long to try to find some nice pajamas, and they didn't have any cute cottony, silky, satiny, cute pajamas. So lesson learned for me. They're like polka dot pajama pants. And then we only found this similar item. We searched high and low for black, gray, or white. Could not, so we just found this nice, it feels nice. It's a nice soft cottony, super. Now these are super soft. They're memory foam. What are these? House shoes. Items that I would just love to have if I'm staying at someone's home and I won't have to ramblage through their house and all that good stuff. Go ahead and start. Maybe I'll use this pillowcase as a basket liner. All right, I did buy this clock. I'm gonna add this on the wall because I know people like to know the time. Okay, so I just got a whole bunch of stuff. I got baby powder, toothbrush. Maybe I'll be able to put some stuff in here. Maybe I'll put like, or do I want to put the and the loofah. Our shoes in here. So add the house shoes there. Let me add in the PJs. We have some nuts. I got hand sanitizer, it can go in there. Some ink pen. I got some vitamin. Okay, so I have gum. All that. We have a card. Put the card there. Belgian waffle. So something. I wanted a conversation piece, I guess. So we'll stick that. Well, that's that. Oh, and the peppermints. I have here in the room. It turned out nice. A nice goodie bag. And all that. So, that's that. And let me share. Alrighty, so how fun is this? I'll just place it, leave it here on the bed. And, you know, go from there. This can be placed on the shelf, and they can, you know, she will be able to keep any little extra personal items whenever she get unpacked there on the shelf. So she'll, you know, all that good stuff. So I think it was really cute. This is some stuff that I got off of Amazon. I've never tried, so I feel like this will help our fridge organization to stay a little bit organized. So I got this. It's like a divider, and it fits perfectly in my refrigerator. Then I do already have 2 smaller ones down in my kitchen, so I felt like me possibly getting a larger one. Maybe I'll put this in the bathroom to house towels, their washcloths or something like that. I'm not quite sure if it'll fit in my kitchen. Then I got another bin for, you know, maybe we can house nuts or snacks or whatever, anything will be able to get housed here. So I thought this was, because I know we're going to be buying extra goodies and, you know, trying stuff. So I'm just trying to stay a little bit organized. Even though we'll be packing up and moving, I feel like I'll still be able to use this stuff when I get back to the States. Clear acrylic tray. It's a nice size. I already have one in my pantry, so it fits, and I house all of my dried seasonings in like my pack. Like if you drink smoothies or whatever, it has packets. So that's what I put currently in my pantry. I may put this back in my kitchen for some more organization, or I may house it here. Did I get 2? Okay. I had 2 in my cart, so I guess I only bought 1. I like this size. This is a perfect little clear acrylic tray that I will be able to use. Okay? Even if I put it on my coffee table, it'll be awesome there too. Some Bath and Body Works lotion and body wash to come in. It's face mask that I went on and added in. It's bath salt. This smells so amazing. It's like a German bath salt that I added. A little scrub for the thing. This is a magazine, and on it has the best of Germany. So I thought that would be a perfect little magazine. So look at that. I thought it turned out so awesome. So awesome. Down here, I'm going to get it added up. I'm going to probably move the picture down just a little bit and put the clock there. So as you're on the bed, you can just wake up and look over towards the window, and you will see the clock right there to make someone feel very special with all the goodies and personal touches and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little guest basket extended stay. I would give this to someone even if they were just staying just for a couple of nights, but this particular guest will be staying, which is my mom, quite a while with us here in Germany. So a little welcome basket for her. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. I want to thank each and every last one of you for watching the video. And please don't forget to subscribe. I would love, love, love to have you here. And if you have any questions, concerns, all that good stuff, leave it down below and I will get back with you. Thank you so very much. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.